Good morning, friends. This is related to the course in the March 2021 computer study. I'm going to scroll one by one all the pages where it will show you the content, what is kept inside the courses, what is removed. કયા ચેપ્ટર રાખ્યા છે, કયા ચેપ્ટર કાઢી નાખ્યા છે, કયા પાન નંબર છે, એ દરેક માહિતી આ રીતે મળશે. તમે પોઝ કરીને પછી જોઈ શકશો. You're able to pause the video and you'll able to see these things. Okay. आप देख रहे हो यहाँ पे चैप्टर वाइज पेज नंबर आर गिवन. Continuation in that chapter 4 के साथ. Then you will have chapter number 5, certain things removed. You can see what is removed, what is there. Then chapter number 6. Then chapter number 7. You can pause those videos and check the page numbers. Let's go chapter 7 in continuation. Then chapter 8. This is chapter 9. Chapter 10, you can see it is completely removed. Same with the chapter 11. Same with the chapter 12. Chapter 13, certain things are there. Okay. I hope you got those things properly. Thank you very much. If you like the video, and share with your friends or the same classmate who are in 12th. Thank you.